Okay, so hi there everyone. We're now on our next video about the fundamentals of mathematics, and we're going to talk about right now how to order decimals. Okay, so I have here a short description of how we will do that, but I will be showing you how to do it technically and in how and the process and explanation of how to. So to determine the order of decimals, or shall we say, how in order to get the order of the decimals, okay, in order to order them properly, compare the numbers. We will compare the numbers or the digits in the same place value. That's why our previous video is about the place value system, so that you will be aware about the place value system and the chart, the system, and the names. The bigger number on the same place value, the bigger is the value of that decimal. Okay, the bigger the value of the decimal is. So as long as all the other digits are go to the left are the same. Okay, so again, let me read that. To determine the order of decimals, compare the numbers, okay, in the same place value, the bigger number in that same place value, the bigger the value of the decimal is as a whole, as long as all the other digits going to the left are the same. So that is, we're going to check them and and check them from left to right. So if we can see that there's a difference on the leftest part, or the leftest digit, shall we say, that's the one. Okay, the bigger value on the leftest digit will be the one which is bigger. So let's have a few examples, shall we? So first in the line is here for number one. Uh, Here we go. Number one, 0.08 versus 0.12. So which one is bigger? Let's first look at it from left to right, going from left to right. So we can see here that we have the ones digit, they are the same, so we cannot say anything about it. So here's a decimal place already. And after that, we have the tenths digit. The tenths, let me write it down. This is the tenths, and don't forget th, okay? Tenths digit. Now, in the tenth digit, we can see that there's a difference between these two decimal numbers. So we have 0 here and we have a 1. So surely we can see that 1 is bigger than 0. That's very understood. So therefore, we can say that this 0.12, okay, is bigger than 0.08. So we write it as this one. So we say that um, 0.18 is less than 0.12, or it can also be written as 0.12 if you really want to put 0.12 first. 0.12 is greater than 0.08. Okay, so that's how we write it if it's going to be if 0.12 is written first. Okay, or shall we say 12 hundredths versus 8 hundredths? So that's understood. Number two, last here, the next example, we have 5.312 versus 4.186. So that's very obvious. I think we have the ones digit. 5 is bigger than 4, so we don't need to look at the other digits. And we see that the leftist number, the leftist digit is already different. So we can really say that 1 is bigger. So that is here, 5 is bigger than 4. So we say that 5 is greater than 4. We don't need to well, if you want, 5.312 is greater than 4.186. Okay, so we can write it similarly like this one. So we'll use the less than if we say 4.186 is less than 5.312. Okay, that's for our second example. For the third one, we have it here. So for our third example, 1.032 versus 1.038. So which one is bigger? So let's try to analyze this from leftest digit going to the right. So in the first digit, that's the ones digit, both numbers are the same, so we cannot distinguish. On the tenth digit, both of them are both 0, so we cannot distinguish still. On the hundredths place, both of them are 3, so still we cannot see which one is bigger. But aha, look at this. In the thousands place, in the thousands place, the digits or the numbers, the values of the numbers, shall we say, are different. Wherein we can see that 8 here is bigger than 2. And all the other numbers are the same, right? So we can see and we can clearly state that 8 is greater than 2. That's understood. And therefore, what symbol shall we write here? We shall write the less than symbol since 1.032 is less than 1.038. If you want to write it like this, so we just simply write the 1.038 first. So we can say that 1.038 is greater than, okay, it's greater than, can I write it down below? Greater than 1.032. 1.032. And yeah, that's our answer if it's written this way. Okay, so that's it for this video for ordering decimals. I hope you learned something from here. And yeah, that's the end of it. I'll be writing or creating more videos about decimals. So stay put. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.